how to equip Flair in Pokemon TCG Pocket. I'm going to tell you how to equip Flair in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Flair is a cosmetic upgrade you can apply to your cards using duplicate copies and shine dust. It doesn't affect gameplay, but gives your cards sparkly or animated effects in your binder during battles. First, build up shine dust and gather the required duplicates based on your card's rarity. 3 copies for a diamond card or 1 copy for a star card. Then go to the My Cards tab, select the card, and tap Obtain Flair. Exchange the duplicates and shine dust to craft the Flair. Higher rarities unlock more advanced Flair options. After crafting it, head into your deck's menu, either edit an existing deck or start a new one. Add the card and look for the Flair icon on the bottom right of the card thumbnail. Tap that icon and select which Flair to equip.